Most inventors sketch, calculate, and test. Nikola Tesla did something far stranger. He built entire machines inside his mind. Tesla claimed he didn't need workshops or prototypes. When an idea came to him, he would visualize it in complete detail down to the dimensions, materials, motion, even the wear and tear. He would run the machine mentally for weeks, adjusting and improving it, fixing invisible flaws before a single part was ever made. Only when the machine worked perfectly in his head would he build it in the real world. And almost always, it worked exactly as he had imagined. To Tesla, imagination wasn't some abstract daydream. It was a mechanical process, precise, obsessively controlled. He believed that the brain, if disciplined enough, could entirely replace physical experimentation. The real world was just a final confirmation of what he already knew to be true. This unique ability gave Tesla an extraordinary advantage. While his competitors struggled through endless trial and error, he moved directly to refinement. Think about it: alternating current systems, electric motors, concepts for wireless transmission. Many of his greatest breakthroughs were mentally engineered long before the technology even existed to properly support them. But this strange talent came at a steep price. Tesla didn't experience ideas the way most of us do. His thoughts arrived as vivid, uncontrollable images. He suffered from intense hypersensitivity. A sudden sound could cause him physical pain. Bright light would overwhelm him. Objects in motion appeared so real in his mind that they blurred the line between imagination and reality. To maintain control over this internal chaos, Tesla imposed extreme discipline on himself. He followed rigid routines. He avoided physical contact with other people. He would obsessively repeat actions in sets of 3. He ate his meals alone, walked exact predetermined distances. He slept very little, sometimes claiming no more than 2 hours a night, because sleep interrupted the clarity of his mental constructions. The mind that could build complex machines without touching a single piece of metal was also a mind that was constantly under immense strain. As the years passed, Tesla's internal world grew stronger and more elaborate, while his connection to the external one weakened. Collaborations with partners like Thomas Edison famously failed. Financial support eventually vanished. He became increasingly isolated, convinced that others just couldn't understand the monumental scale of what he was trying to achieve. While his ideas went on to power the modern electrical world we live in today, Tesla himself slowly faded into obscurity. By the end of his life, he was living alone in New York hotel rooms, his main companions the city's pigeons, which he fed and cared for. He guarded his thoughts fiercely, still convinced that his greatest inventions existed not on paper or in factories, but locked away inside his head. Tesla's story challenges a comforting myth that genius is simply a matter of intelligence applied with more effort. The reality is, genius often requires a truly unusual mind, and unusual minds don't come with safety guarantees. The same mental intensity that allows for extraordinary creation can also make ordinary life unbearable. Tesla didn't just imagine the future. In a very real sense, he lived in it, and in doing so, he slowly lost his grip on the present. Weird scientists aren't strange just because they think differently. They're strange because they can't turn it off. If you enjoy exploring the strange, obsessive, and deeply human side of technology, subscribe to our channel for more documentary-style tech stories just like this one. Thanks for watching.